Was that your way of making fun of me?
Is that your way of sneezing?
Yes. What is wrong with my way of sneezing?
Yes, so I'm gonna send you the link. His channel is full Japanese, but you can still watch. You can still watch his videos, and you still understand a lot. Sorry, but I am. I'm sorry. I am anime Taiga. I mean, yeah, this person wrote me the special expression too, because I forgot which one they were. Which ones they were. Okay, that was I think I'm gonna open Minecraft.
Oh no. Okay, there we go. Yes, my one and only waifu. My one and only waifu. What the owl? Owl! Not owl! Not owl! Ow! 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 Oh no! Oh no! Oh my gosh! Thank you! Thank you! Thank you! Oh, but that sounds like so much fun. I'm excited to play it. I know a lot of people have messaged me and been like, hey, try out beta, and if you like it, oh no. If you don't like...
Excuse me, hi.
Sneeze for a follow? Okay. Wait. I'm gonna put some pepper in my hand. Oh no, it's coming! I'm putting more pepper. Oh my god. Wait, there's one more coming. Now I'm tearing.
Okay, that was a bit dramatic, I'm sorry. Hello? Here it comes! Oh, sorry. The timing on that one!
Oh wait, I need to sneeze. Huh? Ah. Nice. This felt good. 6 for Yao. Oh,
if we're gonna do sneeze ASMR, let me join up on you. There we go. Now we're even.
Cute.
Thank you, chat. Thank you. I think I had the brush too close to my nose before because there was still a little bit of powder in there.
Clip it. Clip it. Clip it. Goodbye. What a miserable creature. Sorry. I'm check. Oh god, I have to sneeze. Sorry.
Why don't we take a nap? You guys want to take a nap?
Yeah. Did we? Where?
You guys should come here and hold C so you save your spawn.
Yeah, I can buy it. Oh god, I have to sneeze. But will I? I'm gonna hold back. I can't hold it. I could not hold it. I tried. Feels bad. I'm scared I will die again. Feels okay, heart. Sorry. Oh shit, I have to sneeze again. Ugh. Let's sneeze. I just can't imagine myself with short hair. Ugh. More to sneeze.